Exercise 39. It's a linear equation from points. In the xy plane, line J intersects the y-axis at point 0, -4 and passes also through the point 3, 5. If point W with coordinates 15 and W also lies on the same line J, what is the value of W? So, at first, I need to find the line that passes through these 2 points, meaning its equation. Remember that any line can be expressed in its slope in the form as m times x plus c. With regards to the slope, this can be taken by this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In our case, that would be 5 minus 4, which is 9, over 3 minus 0, which is 3, and all that is 3. So far we know that the slope of this line would have been 3. Therefore, it can be written as 3x plus c. And c is the y-intercept, which was directly given. And that is equal to -4. So the line J has the equation of 3x minus 4. Now, we also know that the point with coordinates 15 and W lies on that line. And we should know, all of us, from theory, that a point lies on the graph of a function in general, or on the graph of a line, or lies on a line, when the coordinates of that point satisfy that line's equation, which means that if I simply apply 15 instead of x and W instead of y, since we know that this point lies on that line, whatever we get will be a true statement. Therefore, W is 3 times 15 minus 4. This is the same as 45 minus 4, which is 41. Finally, W should be equal to 41.